Okay, so I got this buildings one up. Move this over so you can see it. All right, house, casa, apartment, apartamente, building. There's learn this one. Edificio, trailer, it's trailer, room, cuarta, bathroom, el baño, bedroom, cuarta, kitchen, la cocina, basement. Fuck. It's like sorry for cursing. Sanda, Sandario. Stop looking at me. Sandario, I think. Attic, Aticio, front porch. Damn it, Sean. I was in the zone. I forgot them all. Front porch. It's like enter. Alright, we're gonna skip front porch. Balcony, balcon, dining room, el comedor, living room, la sala, window, la venta, door, puerta, laundry room, lavanderia, stairs, escalada, closet, closet, garage, garaje, toolshed, cuarta, hallway, pasillo, elevator, elevado, game room, cuarto de juegos, office, officino, ground floor. We're gonna pass that one. All right, got it.